how to turn a PDF document into a Google document that you can edit. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Now there are two ways to convert the PDF into Google document. The one is that you can just upload your PDF to Google Drive, and then from Google Drive you can just do a right click and open that PDF with Google Documents, and it will turn into a Google document. The other method is I'm going to show you now. First let me show you the PDF file. We have a report in a PDF file which I've just downloaded it from the internet for the sake of this tutorial. As you can see that it has overall 156 pages. It has a lot of images, graphs and text, but right now since it is in a PDF form we cannot edit that, so we are just going to convert this into a Google document so that we can do the editing. So in order to do that, from the Google Documents we will go to the file and click open, and from here we will select upload, and we will browse that file, PDF file, and we will upload that file to Google Doc, or in other words on a Google Drive. We'll select our file and it would start to upload. Since it is a large file of 156 pages, this is going to take some time. We're just going to wait for its uploading, and then I'm going to show you how you can open this with Google Documents and do the editing. Now as you can see that while we tried to open the PDF file in Google Documents, but instead of opening in a Google document, actually it has opened in as a PDF within our browser. Since most of the browsers have the capability to run the PDF files, that is what my Chrome is doing, that right now it has just opened this PDF file and it is still not editable. As if I select this and I press delete, it is not deleting, so it means that it is still not editable. So what you need to do is that from here you can see on the top there is a pop-up button that is called open with. You just need to click that, and from the drop down menu you would select Google Docs, and now it will open the document within the Google Doc. Now our PDF document has been converted into Google Docs, and as you can see that there is one drawback. Google Docs removes all the images, background images from the document. However, you can now do the editing. If I press this and press delete, and you can see that that paragraph has been deleted, and if I want to add something here, the random words which I typed here and here and here, they have been inserted in. So you can delete and you can add and you can edit your document after you open this within the Google Doc. And now you can again go to file and download as PDF. So again it will be converted into PDF. So this is how you can convert a PDF document into Google Docs, and then you can convert that Google Docs into a PDF document. We have a complete list of short tutorials on Google Documents which will be displayed as a playlist at the end screen cards, and would be available as a first link in the description below. In any case, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.